What are these mysterious space rocks? Comets are frozen bodies of dust and ice. They come from distant regions like the Kuiper Belt. Comets journey on elongated orbits, returning near the Sun periodically. As they approach the Sun, ice vaporizes, creating glowing tails. The glowing coma forms as sunlight warms icy nuclei. Asteroids are rocky fragments primarily found between Mars and Jupiter. This asteroid belt holds remnants from our solar system's formation. Asteroids vary widely in size, from meters to hundreds kilometers. Ceres is the largest asteroid, also classified as a dwarf planet. Meteoroids are small space rocks broken off comets or asteroids. Meteoroids are often no larger than pebbles or small rocks. When they enter Earth's atmosphere, they ignite and become meteors. Shooting stars dazzle observers and inspire generations of stargazers. Surviving fragments that reach the ground are known as meteorites. Meteorite impacts have shaped Earth's geology over billions of years. Comets glow and develop tails. Asteroids appear rocky and rugged. Meteors flash briefly overhead and meteorites land on Earth's surface. Studying these travelers reveals clues about our solar system's history. These insights inspire ongoing scientific discovery and exploration. Meteor showers occur when Earth passes through comet debris trails. Annual meteor showers provide predictable shows under dark night skies. The Perseid shower peaks in August with dozens of meteors hourly. The Chicxulub impact event illustrates asteroids' powerful influence on life. Comets, asteroids, and meteors are related but uniquely different. They illuminate ancient cosmic origins and past mysteries. Next time you gaze upward, spot these cosmic voyagers. Look up tonight and embrace cosmic stellar wonders.